Shelter is a basic right for every human being, despite poor or rich. Everyone deserves a safe place to call home. Unfortunately, in the Gambia and other countries around the world, still are struggling with these basic necessities to provide it. Last year, during heavy rain season, so many lives were lost due to the fast flood that happened all over the world, including the Gambia. A lot of families lost all their materials. They lost their shelters. Imagine families who cannot even afford to raise £10 a month or 1,030 a month. This family here today is exactly where I'm standing. It's where their shelter used to be. I remember just 2 months ago during Ramadan, we came here and we gave out some food packs. And I made a pledge inside the room with the sister and her kids, asking for help to help save them, because the shelter could have collapsed any second. Unfortunately, we came back today to surprise them with a new shelter. But upon our arrival, we realized that even the shelter that we left them with is no more. Alhamdulillah, with our partners, Hope for Humanity, we are on a journey to build 17 homes to the most vulnerable 17 families.